Okay, we've come to the 8th and final 2-minute video. So thank you so much for hanging in there and watching them. The last thing we would like to learn about lists is this keyword called enumerate, and it's best learned through an example. Let's look at a list here called the grades. I have a list with 4 grades. Let's say in 4 of my subjects I got B, B plus, A and a C. Now the command in Python command enumerate grades lays out everything very explicitly. It actually tells me that in 0 there is B, in 1 it's B plus, in 2 so it gives me both the index as well as the item. In index 2 there is A, in index 3 there is C. Now notice how I can take the previous for loop that we saw in the previous video and we do the same thing. We just say for, instead of G we say ix comma G, because there is both index as well as an item. In enumerate grades can you print both ix and G, and it will print 0, B, 1, B plus and so on. Okay, now let's actually go over to Python and take a look at this in action. Next, let's see how enumerate works. So I have a list grocery here, which is a bunch of 5 grocery items. But notice how I have changed the for loop from the previous video. Okay, so instead of just saying for item, I'm saying for idx comma item, for index and item, for A comma B in enumerate grocery. You can print, if you like, both idx and item, and it will print 0, bread, 1, butter, and so on, and that's what it does. Okay. This concludes our 8th and final series of 2-minute videos on lists. Thank you for your time.